Welcome to My Professional Plumber. Modern plumbing is a wonderful invention, but it can also make or break your house. It's wise to be on top of things so little problems don't expand into bigger ones. Setting up routine maintenance with My Professional Plumber will ensure that your plumbing is running properly and decreases your chances of leaks, clogs, and molds forming. You'll get the best care and advice, and as an added bonus, increase the value of your home. For all your plumbing needs, give My Professional Plumber a call today.